Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So today we'll discuss about a course which Madras has launched. So they have launched this course somewhere in 2019. So it's been 2 years and it's a relatively new course, but it's I would say a masterpiece, a very good course because uh, this course is unique in the nature because this is kind of the first course in India, like in the entire country, which is an online degree, and it's a full-fledged degree which is recognized by IIT Madras, and IIT Madras Council has approved the program. So herein you will be getting a degree from IIT which is recognized worldwide. There's no need to say IIT Madras is a very renowned institute in our country, and IITs are recognized worldwide also. So this program is an online program. BSc, it's not a BTech, it's a BSc program. Unlike other BSc programs, the duration is only 3 years, but because it's an online programs, so durations like they have a flexible period of time for you to complete, like you can complete this program between 3 to 6 years. And as statutory warning, this video is going to be a bit long because there is a lot to discuss about it. There are a lot of options and a lot of angles to this program, so this video might go a bit long. So back to the track. The program is in the field of programming and data science. So what they all have is BSc in programming and data science. There are program in diploma programming and diploma data science. I'll let you know what is this. So this program is basically for people belonging to the computer science stream, or the aspirants who wants to pursue their career in that field, computer science and programming and data science. So sorry, how it works, like there are two programs: degree BSc in programming and data science, and there is diploma in programming or diploma in data science. So this program we'll discuss in our next video. This video is like targeted on BSc program. So in BSc program also you have options to exit earlier with foundation certificates or diplomas. We'll discuss this thing in detail. So for now the applications are open till 15th of December. So we have time now. Like if you want, you can apply for it. We have a time for this. So applications are open for January 2020 batch, and I would like want to add here that this is an online program, and IIT Madras is taking admissions every term. So don't worry if you miss taking an opportunity for getting admission this term. There will be another admission term which will be in May, and then again in the September. So don't worry about it. Just an extra information. So you can click this link and apply for this program. Let's just see how it works. Like timeline is now open. There is something which is called a qualifier exam. So qualifier exam for this admission cycle, January 2020, is will be held on 27th of December. We will discuss what it is. So what qualifier exam is, like once you register, they will give you a sample course. Like this course will go for 4 weeks, and they have 4 subjects in there. I'll just let you know what the subjects are. Like it's written somewhere, like it's English, basically it's English, data science, mathematics, and computational thinking. 4 subjects. Yeah, it's here. English one, statistics for data science, mathematics for data science, and computational thinking. So they'll be releasing some content on these subjects, like 2 to 3 hours for per course per week, and then you're required to go through the course, read it. There'll be online classes, like you need not read, there will be online classes for that, and then you need to submit assignment for those 4 subjects. It's a month process. On the basis of your marks in assignment, you will be able to sit into the qualifier exam, and on the basis of your percentage on qualifier exam, they'll give you admission. We'll discuss all these things in detail. So who can join? Eligibility. There is no age or stream restriction. Anyone can join. Like people who are not even from the computer science background, they can also apply for that. As of now, the exam centers are available in India, UK, and Sri Lanka, because they'll be like you can learn from anywhere, but to get a degree from IIT Madras, you'll be required to appear in some exams, and there'll be in-person exams. So centers are available only in these three countries. We'll discuss about it also. So what is the qualifier process? I already told you about it. Program we know, and then uh, yeah, it's a recognized degree, I told you. Then what is the program structure? So there is a foundational level, like you just do 8 courses and you can get if you want, you can exit the program and you will get a certificate program. Then 6 plus 6 courses, 6 for programming, 6 for data science. If you complete all those all 12 courses, you will be, and you want to exit from the program, you will get 2 diplomas, like a diploma in data science and a diploma in programming. And then if you take another 11 subjects and complete all together, this is 31 subjects, you will get a degree in programming and data science. So there are options to exit if you want, flexible course support and everything. So let's just discuss other things. Yeah, there is a link to sign up and for registration. If you want to do that, you can do this. And then yeah, important dates I told you. Application till February, qualifier on 27. Then qualifier starts on 27. Qualifier exam is, yeah, your studies will start on 27. Qualifier phase week 1 starts on 27. You'll have your qualifier exam on 30th January, so it's around a month. I told you it's a month process. Qualifier results will be declared on 9th of February. Registration, you can start doing your registration from 10th of February, and the registration closes 15th of February. So this is eligibility. Like before 2019, I told you this course was started in 2019. Before 2019, you just needed uh, to have studies English and maths in class 10, and you should have cleared class 12. But for now, they have an additional requirement here, number 3. These two remain same, but from 2020 or 21, the people who cleared their class in 12th class in 2021, they need to have one of these, like currently enrolled or previously enrolled in any bachelor degree program. So if you are a student at any bachelor program, or you had it, like you need not be currently in the school for that. If you were enrolled in a bachelor degree program, you can do it. Or you have completed 1 year campus only diploma, like they are not considering here the what do you say is correspondence is studies. uh, you need to be on campus for that. And then if you have completed CA Inter is uh, cost accountant intermediate. That's a course for finance people, so it can relate to data science. Like we can discuss it later. So this is the application fee, 3,000 for general and OBC, and uh, like there is discounts for other reserve categories. So qualifier process I told you already. Here is the percentage thing. So minimum assignment, if you wanna appear in the qualifier exam, you need to have minimum 40% score in your assignments. For this amount of process, they'll give you assignments for everything. So you need to secure minimum 40% to appear in the qualifier exam. And there is some relaxation for reserve categories. You can see it here. And then qualifier exam passing criteria. So the criteria is on the both, like the overall score and the individual. So for general, you need total of minimum 50, and each subject in each course you need, like there are 4 courses, so in 4 courses you need to score minimum 40 individually, and a total of 50 to be eligible to register. Okay, and there are again some leniency for the reserve categories. And then they say like if you do like everyone who passes a qualifier, they'll be allowed to register for the program, but there is a restriction on number of courses. Like if you did the bare minimum 50%, you'll be allowed to register 2 courses only in the first 2 terms. So this is only for the first 2 terms, not the entire course. The concept behind is like if you have done the bare minimum, they'll suppose that you are not good with these subjects, so it's not a good idea to load you in the very first term. You may crash, you may not cope up with the things. So for first 2 terms, that is 8 months, you have some restrictions. If you done 50%, you can take only 2 courses. If you were in your qualifier exam, that's for qualifier exam, if you scored between 50 to 70, you can take 3 courses, and if you were above 70, you can take 4 courses. So this is all how it looks like. And then coming to overall structure, yeah, there is a lot of information here, I know, but this is really very informative, so you need to know everything. So there is a roadmap of this program. uh, like you apply for the regular entry, then you take 1 month classes, then you appear for the qualifier exam, you clear it, then you will be able to register in foundational course. So foundational course has 8 courses. The duration is 8 months to 3 years. So this duration 8 months to 3 years is not for the entire degree. This duration is only for the foundational level courses. Like these 8 courses, you can complete these 8 courses within between 8 months to 3 years of time period. So if you want to exit over here, you will get a foundational certificate from IIT Madras. If you want to continue, you can enroll for another 12 courses, and the duration for those courses is 12 months to 3 years. I told you there will be 6 courses in programming and 6 courses in data science. So if you want to exit over here, uh, you will be getting a diploma in programming and or diploma in data science. The concept is, if you I told you there will be 6 courses each stream. So if you take 6 courses in programming only, you will be getting a diploma in programming. If you take 6 courses only in data science, you'll be getting diploma in data science. If you pass all the if you take and pass all the 12 courses here, you'll be getting 2 diplomas here and or. Okay, then if you want to continue with the program, there are other 11 courses. The duration for these is also 12 months to 3 years, and this is the end of it, and you will be getting a BSc degree in programming and data science. So this is all about it. There are other things we can discuss. For degree, it's for degree, there are total 31 courses. I told you the completion period for degree is 3 to 6 years, and duration of each course is 12 weeks. So like I told you, there will be 3 terms in a year: January term, May term, and September term. So one term is equal to 4 months, but the structure is that you'll have only 12 months of coursework, that is equivalent to 3 months, and 1 month is off. Then you need to appear for like video, and like assignments are online, then you need to appear for 3 in-person investigated quizzes. So your quizzes will be in person. You need to appear in person at the exam center, and the end term exam is also in person. So here is a route map for that. Like there is a quiz at the end of every month, and then there is an exam in month 4. Okay, courses. Yeah, here is another important piece of information, like cities of the examination. So we have a list for that. We'll have a look on that, but you can see from the map, there are like they have almost covered the entire country. So it's accessible actually. So there is fee structure, the most important part. Like for foundational level courses, you will be paying 4,000 per course. For other courses, skill enhancement courses in diploma and degree, there are some courses which are skill enhancement in nature. There's so for those you will be paying 5,000 per course, and other courses which are core courses of this program at diploma or degree level, we will be paying 10,000 per courses. So the fee structure is course wise. Good thing about is there is a lot of waiver in the fees. We can just have a quick look here. If your family income is less than 5 lakhs and you're general, you have to pay full fee. you're OBC, you have to pay full fee. If you're SC and ST, you have a 50% waiver. You just need to show the proof of SC and ST. Then if you belong to disability category, there is 50% waiver. And if you have both, you belong to SC and ST category and you're physically disabled also, you'll get 75% waiver. So it's a lot of discount over here in the fee. And then if your family income is within 1 lakh to 5 lakhs, then there's discount for almost everyone. If you're general, you'll get 50% discount, but for that you need to show family income certificate also in addition. If you're OBC, you will again get 50%, SC/ST will get 50%, PW will get 50%, and here only here also for like if you're SC/ST and plus PWD, 75%. If your family income is less than 1 lakh, which is like a quite common case in India with the middle class or lower middle class family, and you have like you belong to that category and you have good ambitions, you're really going to do good with this thing, the fee factor. So even if you belong to general category and your income is like below 1 lakh, there is 75 discount, 75% fee waiver for everyone, like irrespective of your category. Okay, so obviously you have to produce documents for that. And here is foundational course. I told you there are 8 courses, 32 credits. You have 1 year to 3 year and 10 hours per course per week. The fee structure 32. Again, the discounts applied. Here are courses for foundational, 8 courses. Here are courses, and then for diploma, 6 plus 6 courses, we have discussed it. Fee we have discussed. These are the subjects. You can have a quick look. This is for programming subjects, programming diploma. These subjects are for diploma in data science. You can have a quick look about it. And then if you want to take a degree, 11 other courses. So like there are 6 courses, and then there are for degree people there are some optional courses, like you can take optional courses depending on your choice. Yeah, then the last thing, list of cities we wanted to see. So I told you there is a center in Singapore, Sri Lanka and UAE, 3 foreign countries, and in India you can see like 2, 4, almost 10 in Andhra Pradesh, and 5 in Guwahati, 6 in here Bihar, and then 5 in Ahmedabad, and altogether I see there would be around 70 to 80 or over 100 cities wherein they are going to conduct the examination, in-person examination. So you can see here like it's almost 10 to 12 in Tamil Nadu. So I would say geographically this course is really accessible, so you can go for it. All in all, I would say this course is a masterpiece for the people who want to pursue their career in the field of programming and data science, or just for the people who have an interest in this field, or the working professionals who do not who want to get the promotions, and they want to show some credible proof of being them belonging to a recognized organization. So it's a good thing. And as I always say, I'm not representing any institutes. It's just a way, what I'm doing is just a way to pass on information to the people, to you out there. So if you like what I'm doing, my way and my approach, my motto, please like my channel, subscribe it, comment on the videos. Yeah, thank you. That's all for this video. And at last, all the rights regarding the program and the admission, they are reserved with the IIT Madras. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you. You have and you have information, contact information here. Like if you want to get further clarification, you can call them here or shoot a mail to them here. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.